Hey everyone, Stu from Ukulele Zen. In this video I'm going to teach you a cool lick that you can use over a C major chord in so many different ways. We're going to learn this right now, so get your ukulele and let's jam. Ukulele Zen is made possible by a fantastic community of patrons. Click the links down below if you want to support, join the community, get exclusive content, and receive course discounts. Thanks so much for watching. Let's get into this lick right now. What you're going to want to do is start placing your first finger and middle finger on the 3rd fret G and the 4th fret E. All right, now what you're going to want to do is get comfortable with plucking 2 strings with the thumb. And see how my thumb stops on the first string? It just comes to rest. All right, the next step is we're going to want to add this little hammer on and then move it down. Let me break that down for you because while it looks easy, it actually takes a bit of training. The first step is to have the fingers parallel to the frets. All right, we don't want them to be angled like this. They should be parallel to the frets, and using just the curvature of the fingertip right here to make sure that that note on the 2nd string isn't muffled when we drop the ring finger right there. So what I'm doing is I'm playing these 2 notes, add the ring finger to the 5th fret, that's an F, and it takes a little getting used to placing the fingertip in a way where you don't muffle that other string. Drop a comment down below, let me know how you're doing. Big tip though is just to make sure that you're engaging this knuckle, bending that finger, keeping it light at the same time. Right, it won't be too long before it sounds a little bit like a Christmas carol there. So pluck, drop it, pick, 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 pick. Now slide it down 2 frets and now open strings. And you can follow that with a C major chord. You can play this lick in the other direction like I just did, the little drummer boy, the Christmas carol. Alright, you can play it in any direction and you can change the rhythm. It starts to sound like a driving Chuck Berry or Rolling Stones kind of thing. Let's practice this a few more times. Please drop a comment down below and smash the like button if you're enjoying this video. I appreciate you joining me. Hope you'll please subscribe to this channel. Ring that notification bell so you'll keep in the loop of every time I put up a new video. By the way, this ukulele I'm playing is by the Bondi Company out of Australia. This is part of their starter kit. Often starter ukulele kits have kind of a poor quality instrument in them. Not the case here. I'm very impressed with this Australian company. The starter kit comes with a ton of stuff. It's kind of ridiculous, all the things it comes with. If you're interested, there's a link down below. A portion of your purchase will support Rhyme and Reason, which is a charitable organization that teaches kids in Cambodia how to play music, which is something, by the way, I volunteered to do about 10 years ago with my ukulele. So it's a cause that's really close to my heart. If you want to pick up this starter kit, check the link down below. This lick is played like this. It's key to have the fingers parallel and curved. Let's practice this together. Place your 1st and middle finger on that first part. Drop the ring finger. Move it down and release. Congratulations, you just did it once. Let's do it a 2nd time. Take your hand away, relax, take another breath, and do it a 3rd time. 2, 3, 4. So now you've just done it 3 times in a slightly different way. Instead of just going, and you know, my jaw starts to get a little tight, my shoulders get a little tight, naturally, because we're not giving ourselves any chance to relax and absorb the material. Practice in a manner, I highly recommend that you practice in a manner where you're just doing something slowly, correctly, and then giving it a little chance to, resonate into your brain. Let your body absorb what you just did. Do it again. Playing in this way is much more relaxing and it's a more effective way of practice. one love. Here comes the lick. One love. Let's get together and feel alright. One love. One heart. Thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying let's get together and feel alright. Do you feel alright? Have you watched all the way to the end? If so, merci beaucoup, muchísimas gracias, spasibo. Thank you so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. Dankjewel. I hope that you are doing well, and I look forward to seeing you in another video soon.